Coming down the slope from Fordwater towards St Mary's, it's still Esterer leading, but Padmore is getting closer and closer. Only 1 car length between them, 2 car lengths now, as slightly faster in St Mary's goes to Chinook, but faster out of St Mary's. Most important point to be fast is Nick Padmore, right under the rear wing of the Chinook. Esterer holds on, but I think his days are numbered at the front.
Can you see where David Hart's got to in the dark green Lola?
No, I can't.
10.
It hasn't come round to me. I can't see any wave flags. I can't see any cars
weaving
parked.
one way, looking the other, down through the kink on the 11th straight. Esterer out wide. He'll leave his braking incredibly late, but Padmore monstering him all the way down to Woodcote corner. Nice smooth line through. Again, the lead car twitches and bucks and writhes, and out of the chicane they come. 1 and 2, and the acceleration of the Chinook is absolutely extraordinary. It's as they go through.
If any other car got as any other car got as sideways as the Chinook, I'd worry, and I think it was a problem. But that's just what the Chinook does. It's so super twitchy. My golly, I must have the reflexes of a panther to drive the thing.
It will be the case.
Well, having checked in the scrutineering afterwards, but down the hill again to the kink. Now Padmore goes up the inside and takes the lead into the kink for St Mary. Can he hold on? Yes, he can. By golly, he's got that car so well balanced. The 31 Lola a bit slower. Oh, then a twitch. Another sideways moment from Esterer in second place, and he couldn't take advantage through St Mary's. Marcus, I hear you chuckling.
You do need incredible reflexes, and Esterer certainly has them. In this car, which really should be no match for a really well set up T7. They're going to go either side of Adam Simmons in the BMC Huffaker Genie Mark 10 coming down to the kink. They do that, and they're barrelling down into Woodcote corner. Esterer tucking in under the tail flap of the lead car.
The Chinook's acceleration out of the chicane was terrific. Can he get up alongside Nicholas Padmore? No, not quite. Still close into Madgwick.